Hello everyone, welcome to the Russian Sports Massage video channel. I am Oleg Buimer and today I am bringing you back to basics. The hands, your hands as a massage therapist, your ability to connect with the client. Layer after layer of soft tissue, gradually increasing pressure, acknowledging every muscle's attachment, working from one attachment to the other. So the basics that so many therapists out there are missing, unfortunately. So here we are. From the very first stroke, as you connect with your body, you are not just landing down flat on a table, on a client's body, just aligning yourself with, it's like in a glove, going with the body, with the area you're covering, and start already initially with the very first stroke, you picking up the pattern of tension. Is it more on the right, on the left, upper, lower area? You're gathering information from the very first stroke that you start working on the client. Later on, you acknowledging that there is more tension in the upper right shoulder, or you found to be more tension in the left middle trapezius area. So all of this will guide you to with more specific tools addressing that area. But in general, from the very first stroke, you are learning, you are comparing where is the tension, what is the pattern that you will be undoing during this section. For that, the key point, the hands has to be very loose, very much your own ability to keep yourself loose as a therapist. Then you'll be able to read the client's tension easier. All right, so in this case right now, for instance, as one of the techniques, you are using 4 fingers to gather the tissue, and the thumbs are used as a barrier. So this is how you move, in this case, middle back and upper back, and gathering information, finding the area where there is adhesion, programming your work, planning your work during this session and other sessions. So clearly, number 1, 4 fingers, gathering the tissue. When you found the pattern of tension, like a fault of tension in one specific area, you stop. You control the tissue with 4 fingers, and with your thumbs, you going into that fault. Then you pin down on the point of tension, the way you read it, vibrate into it, and release. Once again, 4 fingers first, gathering the tissue, bringing it to the thumbs that serve as a barrier, pinning it down. Once you pin down the fault that presents the fault of tension, you use your thumbs going deeper into that fault. In this case, we addressing middle border of the scapula, working the attachments of the middle trapezius, and pinning it down, vibrate, and release. One more time. 4 fingers, followed by 2 thumbs, followed by pressure, release with vibration, and let it go.